Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Rogue Sports. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, multi-zone AC. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.